Just get you the game on disc. I can gift you and just get you Madden 26 on disc. Or do you give a fuck if I shit your own to it? Well, so what? What if I don't in my ass? Just whip it with the. Oh, I'm good. Actually, never thought about that. Have you ever thought about yourself, but not ever actually thought about yourself? No, is that like? Yeah, why'd you say we'd never uninstall or install Breakpoint? Oh. You got about a bad Chris. Fuck. Got moth bugs. I'm at moth bug 82 and not 93. Yup, there's the fucking third. Yep, Barenz, dumbass third. Yeah, it's me. It's me too. Me three, me four. Got dumbass asshole. Oh. Oh wait, so I don't know how I say this. My sister's getting some sort of surgery on a Tuesday, and she doesn't know if she's gonna. Well, she wants us to pick her up. The only thing is she does not know if she needs to take like a college test or not. So, like, well, apparently all three of us need to fucking go there, and you know, well, we're gonna be coming back on. Hey, there's something wrong. Something is wrong with her stomach. Like her stomach was hurting like bad, so she had to. My brother had to take her to the emergency room. But she's not fucking pregnant. What the fuck? That's a. How the, how the fuck is that possible? She's too fucking. Good. She's too young to be a mom. I know that for much. I know that much. 19. Yeah, my mom, my parents and I were, I drove drove 8 hours all the way over there, and then, I'll find out by Tuesday if she's getting this test or not, or if she's taking this test or not, and then take her idea. Bloody buns. I was about to say, what? Huh?
Residents of Marfa, Texas say the phenomenon, simply known as the Marfa ghost lights, are occurring at an astounding rate over the last few months. Witnesses report seeing white, blue, and red orbs of light dangle and dance above the Chinati Mountains for several minutes.
Yeah, if she doesn't have to test, then she's gonna come back with us. If not, then we're just gonna come back with just 3 of us then.
Remains a mystery. Cattle mutilations continue to plague the...
We're coming home on Thursday, okay? Like, I'm gonna clarify, Thursday, okay? Thursday. East South. You know, if we act gay, then they're not gonna kill us, you know?
Gotta focus. Gotta stay strong.
Bro, apparently Julie doesn't know how to calm the fuck down.
Can I use this?
Hey, don't move.
Please lead somewhere good.
No, whatever you do, don't move. Julie. Fucking hot, the fucking hot ass whore.
Jesus Christ.
That man laid it out. Yeah, that's what Wyatt would. That's what Wyatt did. Might And there is no we got Hitchhiker, Hook, and Johnny.
Yes, I can use that.
How the fuck did you get out that quick? I'm in the south tunnel.
This'll slow him down, surely.
Who? Johnny.
Damn kids.
Like the Hitchhiker.
Where'd they go?
Williams. Right here. Over here. There they are.
Alright, I got 2 pickaxes. Where? No. Nice.
They're everywhere.
You said not to go through there. Fucking crows. What we're gonna fucking do. Just go with the fucking crow.
Might be safe now.
Do.
Need to find a way out. It's open.
It's open. I say it's open. Or you want to just close the door or just leave it open?
It's too quiet. Much too quiet. I can't believe my eyes.
Hey, Leon, nobody you shut the fuck up and fucking move. I'm like, you bitch. Hit the candy store, okay? It's not the candy store. Where you at? You're gonna act like this is some fucking candy store. Like, wait, what the fuck open?
Yeah! Take it! Take
Oh
it!
shit!
I can't let them know. They're all over. Stay hidden.
Come on, come on, yeah. Oh, okay. Gotta recover. Oh, okay. Yes, thank you, Johnny. Oh yeah, give me, oh yeah, more. Oh. Okay, Johnny just got me. It's fucking great. Got PlayStation, Xbox, and Xbox.
Lost him again.
Man, how'd you get away from Johnny?
Somehow.
Oh, the hitchhiker was after me. Johnny was after me. It's Pickle. I see a Pickle or a lockbox.
How many are there? Come on.
Johnny just did some like maneuver ass shit.
Enough. What do we have here?
Now the have to find out through Johnny's side. He's in the workshop. Now the central tunnel. Now Leatherface's lair.
Okay. Finally. They're gone. Where are the others?
Johnny's coming. Johnny's coming. Johnny's coming. Nice. Yeah. Oh, Sonny's dead.
They're everywhere.
Micah dead. Yeah, Johnny, what the fuck you with that like dumb bitch? Apparently he would you live for it to you. The fuck? Just let John, you just let the guy. I thought I heard something I thought I heard something open.
Lost him again.
Fucking dumbass. And if you don't move, you're gonna hit the coke on you. Yeah, why don't you do it? Just walk on your face. You know, like spider footprints. Yeah. So you gotta heal.
Wait, can I use that? This'll help. How many are there? Come on.
I hate this map.
Seems safe.
I've always hated this
Enough.
map.
I knew they were here somewhere.
Yeah, they will see you.
Okay, finally, they're gone. Where are the others? They're everywhere.
Is it Peter Evans?
Gonna let a lot of
God help me. Please. Gonna hear me.
It's just a weak skinny ass.
Need to find a way out.
We need 2 quick logs. Hey, bleeding out's better.
Damn it. Not you too.
Get it out again.
Lost him again.
I was gonna mail up and come out of the game and like come
Keep my eyes
let's go through this. You're like, oh yeah, give me some more. Yeah, let's do some more.
How many are there? Come on.
God. Bitch.
Seems safe enough.
You can be able to take it like a man, bitch.
knew they were here somewhere. Anything to numb the
Ooh.
pain. Okay, finally, they're gone. Where are the others? They're everywhere. Might be safe now. Find a way out. They're all over. Stay hidden.
They're bad.
Lost him again. I gotta stay hidden. Somehow. I got this. What was that?
Alright.
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
It's your own fault. Come on back now. Got something I'm gonna show you.
I got it. I got it.
Get him, get him, get him.
Hey, get out of here.
Thanks, Match. Alright, next match. Next match, next match. No, you. No. Calling some water. I'm drinking water. Capture files? The fuck? Oh, no, it says files. No, that's files, not flies. To FIL. FLO. The L looks like big ultimate for my screen. It looks like files.
Adolescent vandals have been terrorizing the city of Lexington, Texas with horrific depictions of
Get your
famine
head
and the
out of your own
macabre.
hole.
Nearby active officers may involve remote Odessa sheriffs investigating
Get
evidence
your hole out
authorities
of your hole.
locally intercepted years ago. The grotesque animal dioramas, composed of fox bones, have appeared in the two cities, yet their connection is unknown, but not likely coincidental. The youths are believed to be sisters, but authorities cannot confirm nor deny potential lineage. Citizens are encouraged to report any findings to the police. What
I
should
do
have
even
been a night of memories
other
and
facing your
celebration turned into a scene one witness described as hell on earth. Teenagers at Dutton High School were celebrating an otherwise uneventful senior dance when two local men, identified as 43-year-old Hackett Wayford and his 24-year-old son Grandson, entered the gymnasium with a variety of bladed weapons and began attacking those inside. 6 students
gonna jam his thumb over your ass.
Matthew Hickory, one of the boys responsible
Yeah,
for
but
hitting
you
the nightmare,
told
told reporters that the two men were freak strong, like bulls or something. Authorities arrived and were able to arrest the men who are...
On the north south view. Oh, what the fuck is here?
Oh God!
First, they were bending backwards. Shit.
What is this place?
I thought you were sniffing your own ass.
Oh my God! I'm right here, Connie.
Oh my God.
A shortcut?
What the hell is going on here?
Why it again?
Worth trying.
Well, you want to use a bull rider, you fucking pussy man. Pussy con, bitch.
Quiet.
Yeah, sure. I think Jules just gave herself away. No, not Con, that's Connie, never mind. He bull rides his own ass.
What's
You know,
that
like
over
a
there?
bull of horns.
Not again.
Yeah. A bull of cum. Sure. I guess so. Would you like to lick your own ass?
The road's gotta be close. We can make it. Come on.
Oh, plastic cum plots.
Yes, yes. Please fit in that lock. Please.
Cum twats.
Who are you? How did you get here?
Lockpicks, yes. Or no, I don't actually. I just got a health bottle. And the sewers. Oh, thank you so much.
Oh
Now I'm in the north tunnel now.
What is this?
Nice. Where?
They got you?
Did you see me?
Yes. Thank God.
The next match, nobody. Wait, no.